Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how I achieve the perfect wash and go every time. So if you want to know how I do this, just keep on watching. So my technique is very simple. I always do my wash and goes on dripping wet hair in the shower. Yes, girl, that's my secret. Dripping wet hair in the shower. That's how I achieve the most definition ever. I'm telling you, like, this is not a joke. You will see for yourself. This helps so much. So I'm just sectioning off my hair. And as you can see, I'm making sure my hair is dripping wet. The next thing I'm going to do is take my favorite cream ever. And this is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This has been a long-term favorite of mine. I've been using this since day one that I was natural, okay? The first day that I styled my TWA, I used this product. So I've been using it ever since because I love it. It's moisturizing, it's thick, it smells great. So yeah, Curl Enhancing Smoothie is one of my favorites, okay? I just rake that through my hair and then I take my favorite gel, which is the green Eco Styler gel, and I just rake that through my hair. Nothing special, but that's actually how I achieve my best definition ever. And I use my Tangle Teaser to distribute the product, but I always end up doing the raking method because the raking method just gives me loads of definition, shine, and just everything what a hair tool cannot do, okay? So I repeat these steps for all the sections of my hair. I make sure my hair is dripping wet, then I apply my Curl Enhancing Smoothie, I distribute the product with my Tangle Teaser, then I go ahead and apply my Eco Styler gel, and then I just rake that through my hair and shingle my hair a little bit. But you know, the raking method is my go-to method for definition, okay? And that's how I do it. That's how I do my wash and goes in the shower, okay? And that's how I achieve my perfect wash and goes ever. So I don't know, when I do my wash and goes outside the shower on damp hair or something like that, my hair just comes out frizzy. It's just not the same, you know? I did plenty of wash and goes in my life. Girl, let me tell you, doing this method gives me the maximum definition ever. Also, it saves up so much time because you're still in the shower, okay? By the way, I always make a mess whenever I do my wash and go. So doing this outside the shower, it creates a mess. There's product on the ground, there's hair on the ground, but doing this in the shower saves you a lot of cleanup time. Also, it's just, you know, I do this in 15 minutes, girl, like what? So that's my go-to method to do my wash and goes, okay? A lot of you guys are asking me like, whoa, your curls are popping. That's probably because I did this method to do my wash and go. I don't know, sis, just try it out. Just try out your wash and go on dripping, wet, warm hair in the shower because, you know, I have low porosity hair and my cuticles open when there's some type of heat applied. And when my hair is still warm from the warm water I just put on my hair, I don't know, the product just... My hair takes up the product so much easier. I don't know if that's correct. Like, I don't know if my theory is correct, but you know, I'm just saying, as you can see, God, oh my God, my curls are popping, like, yo. So definitely give this method a try. So when I come out of the shower, I use my Dyson hair dryer and I use the diffuser attachment to dry my curls, and I also use the concentration nozzle to dry my roots. So I alternate between those two attachments and it just, you know, gives me the perfect hair dry experience ever because, you know, the Dyson hair dryer is my favorite. Literally the best hair dryer that I ever tried in my life. I'm telling you guys, this whole process took me about 30 minutes. And as you can see, I'm alternating between the two attachments, and that's just how I roll for 30 minutes straight. And this is my hair after 30 minutes. Yes, I'm feeling myself. Anyways, you know, my curls are perfectly defined, soft, moisturized, frizz-free, and it's going to stay like that for at least 3 days, and then it's going to poof up a little more. So Guys, just give this method a try. I'm telling you, if you want to achieve the perfect wash and go, make sure your hair is wet. And I mean like soaking wet, okay? And let me know in the comment section which method is your favorite to achieve a bomb-ass wash and go. I would love to know, sis, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!